todo el mundo, bienvenidos a mi canal, soy Winza y hoy estáis viendo Winza101. Ok, si ves las cosas detrás de mí puedes ver que hay un montón de cosas, obviamente, porque estoy moviendo. I'm not dying, I hope not. Estoy mudando. Vosotros ya sabéis. Un montón de ustedes ya saben. See, this whole conjugation thing really getting on my nerves. I'm just gonna speak in English. Hey everyone, so as you can see behind me, I have a bunch of stuff. I'm trying to pack my life in 2 to 3 suitcases. Well, I don't think it's gonna fit 2. I think it's gonna be more like 3 or 4 suitcases, and it's not as easy as it may seem. I mean, obviously, I don't think you guys can assume that it's easy. I've been selling a whole bunch of my stuff, and I donated a whole bunch of clothes today, and I still have to go through all that stuff because this is clothes that I want to keep but that need to be washed as well. But I'm looking at it and I'm just like, what am I gonna do with all this clothes? First of all, I don't have winter clothes. I'll probably keep my shorts, like my summer clothes that I honestly just bought this summer when I went to Greece. But there's a lot of clothes that I'm not even gonna be wearing anytime soon. So I'm thinking, should I donate? Should I sell? But I don't want to let go. See, that's the hoarder in me. It's the stuff that I don't want to let go. But I've already let go. I've already let go of so much stuff. I didn't realize how much stuff I had. You never realize how much stuff you have until you're moving, and you're like, oh my God, it's just so much stuff. So basically, I've narrowed everything down to the stuff that you see behind me here, that bin back there. I'm going to put the clothes that I'm definitely going to take but that need to be washed, and then I'm going to wear like the next 2 weeks while I'm here. Yeah, basically this suitcase here just has my makeup palettes, my makeup brushes, and like my crafty stuff on this side. And then on this side are my shoes that I'm not willing to let go. I have a lot of shoes, y'all. I donated so much shoes today to Goodwill. It's not even funny. And on this one's just gonna basically be my clothes. So yeah, and then my mom's gonna give me another suitcase that I'm gonna go ahead and put more stuff into. And then back there, I don't know, let me go get it. I don't think you can see it. So this is Nemo's carry-on that he's gonna be in while on the airplane. So this is coming with me. And then more shoes that I'm not willing to let go. And then I have this carry-on, which has all of the books that I'm not willing to let go, because I sold 40 books for $10, y'all. 40 books for $10. Let that sink in. It hurt me. And all of the books were like books that came out within the past few years. Good books. Most of the books in there I annotated, put my little notes. They're just so hard. It's just something about paperback books. I mean, I like my Kindle and I like reading ebooks too, but there's just something different about paperback books. So anyway, I have all my books in here that I'm not willing to let go, that's coming with me. So I'm gonna put half of these in like the other 2 suitcases that I'm gonna bring, so that it's not too heavy, right? Because I measured it and it's about 30 pounds. Poof. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this like video montage of me just like, you know, putting stuff away and, you know, packing my life in 2 suitcases. Oh, I'm just more sad that I have to get rid of things, which is so sad. And I'm not willing to pay for another suitcase because it is $100. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing that.
Period!
This is the stuff that I'll be using the next 2 weeks. Basically, all this stuff here is just my makeup. This is my old computer that I don't know if I'm gonna sell it or probably just give it to my mom to send it to Haiti or something. I don't know. Then just stuff over here, Nemo's documents that I need for him to be able to fly with me. So there's nothing really in the bathroom. And then my closet, all of this blankets, I don't know, donate, hangers, towel, my jacket, and these are like my Spanish books, practicing books, and that's my hamper. And that's it. So this is it, y'all. Don't just ignore this part right here because all of that is trash. That's the stuff that I'll be going. I have 2 more suitcases that I'm gonna put these in, and then that's it, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.